Welcome to my class of cyber security. Today we will learn about different types of attack. What is attack? In computer and computer network, an attack is any attempt to destroy, expose, alter, disable, steal, or gain unauthorized access to or make unauthorized use of an asset. A computer attack may be defined as actions directed against computer system to disrupt equipment operations, change processing control, or corrupt stored data. Different attack methods target different vulnerabilities and involve different types of weapon, and several may be within the current capabilities of some terrorist groups. Layer attacks on MANET. Securing wireless ad hoc network is a highly challenging issue. Understanding possible forms of attack is always the first step toward developing good security solutions. Security of communication in MANET is important for secure transmission of information. Security means protecting the privacy or confidentiality, availability, integrity, and non-repudiation. Security implies the identification of potential attack from unauthorized access, use, modification, or destruction. The characteristic of MANETs make them susceptible to many new attacks. These attacks can occur in different layers of the network protocol stack. Attacks at physical layer. Some of the attacks identified at physical layer include eavesdropping, interference, and jamming. Attacks at data link layer. The data link layer can classify attack as to what effect it has on the state of the network as a whole. Some of the attacks identified at physical layer include jamming, interception, eavesdropping, active interface, etc. Attacks at network layer. The basic idea behind network layer attack is to inject itself in the active path from source to destination or to absorb network traffic. Some of the attacks identified at physical layer include wormhole, location disclose, resource consumption, flooding, backhaul, grey hole, routing attacks, etc. Attacks at transport layer. Some of the attacks identified at physical layer include TCP, UDP, session hijacking, and synchronization flooding, etc. Application attacks at application layer. Some of the attacks identified at physical layer include repudiation attacks, malicious code attacks, data corruption attacks, etc. A complete picture of attack type on layers is helpful for the effectively mitigations of this attack. In this diagram, attacks on layer are broadly classified for this purpose. Layer attacks on MANET. There is application layer, transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and these are the different layers. Repudiation, data corruption, malicious code. TCP UDP, session hijacking, synchronization, flooding. Wormhole, location disclosure, resource consumption, flooding, black hole, grey hole. These all form under routing attack. Similarly, there are different attacks also like monitoring, traffic analysis, malicious behavior, disruption in MAC, selfish behavior, jamming, interception, eavesdropping, active interference. Other classifications of attack. Attacks can also be classified on the basis of its source, behavior, and nodes show such categorization. Types of attack. Here there are three types: on the basis of source, on the basis of behavior, on the basis of node. On the basis of node, collaborative attack forms on the basis of node. Passive attack and active attack forms on the basis of behavior. External attack and internal attack is on the basis of source. On the basis of source. On the basis of source, attack can be classified as external attack and internal attack. External attacks are caused by nodes which are not a part of the network. External attackers are the aims to cause congestion, propagate fake routing information, or disturb nodes from providing services. Internal attacks are caused by the nodes which are a part of the network. Internal attack in which the adversary wants to gain the normal access to network and participate the network activities, either by some malicious impersonation to get the access to network as a new node, or by directly compromising a current node and using it as a basis to conduct its malicious behavior. Passive attack. Some important passive attacks are snooping attack, eavesdropping attack, traffic analysis attack, and traffic monitoring attack. Snooping attack. Snooping attack is also known as masquerade or impersonation or spoofing network attack. In this attack, a single malicious node attempts to take out the identity of other nodes in the network by advertising false or fake routes. It then attempts to send packet over network with integrity of other nodes, making the destination believe that the packet is from original source. Eavesdropping attack. Eavesdropping attack are serious security threat to a wireless sensor network, since the eavesdropping attack is a prerequisite for other attacks. Monitoring attack. Monitoring is another passive attack in which attacker can see the confidential data, but he cannot change the data or cannot modify the data. Traffic analysis attack. Traffic analysis is the process of intercepting and examining messages in order to deduce information from patterns in communication. It can be performed even when the messages are encrypted and cannot be decrypted. In general, the greater the number of messages observed or even intercepted and stored, the more can be inferred from the traffic. Traffic analysis can be performed in the context of military intelligence or counterintelligence and is a concern in computer security. In this type of attack, an attacker tries to sense the communication path between the sender and receiver. This way, attacker found the amount of data which is traveled between the route of sender and receiver. Active attacks. Some important active attacks are blackmail, denial of service attack, fabrication, grey hole attack, disclosure attack, routing attack, resource consumption attack. Blackmail attack. A blackmail attack is relevant against routing protocol that uses mechanisms for identification of malicious nodes and propagate messages that try to blacklist the offender. Denial of service attacks. They are aimed at complete disruption of routing information and therefore the whole operation of ad hoc network. Fabrication attack. The notation fabrication is used when referring to attacks performed by generating false routing messages. Such kind of attacks can be difficult to identify as they come as valid routing construct, especially in case of fabricated routing error messages which claim that a neighbor can no longer be contacted. Fabrication attacks. The term notation fabrication is used when referring to attack performed by generating false routing messages. Such kind of attack can be difficult to identify as they come as valid routing construct, especially in case of fabricated routing error messages which claim that a neighbor can no longer be contacted. Grey hole attack. A grey hole attack is a variation of the black hole attack where the malicious node is not initially malicious. It turns malicious sometime later. In this attack, an attacker drops all data packet but it lets control messages to route through it. On the basis of behavior. Passive attack attempts to retrieve valuable information by listening to traffic channel without proper authentication but does not affect system resources and the normal functioning of network. Passive attacks are very hard to detect because they don't involve any alteration of data. An active attack attempts to change or destroy the system resources. It gains an authentication and tries to affect or disrupt the normal functioning of network services by injecting or modifying arbitrary packets of data being exchanged in the network. An active attack involves information interruption, modification, or fabrication. On the basis of nodes. In this type of attacks, there are numerous nodes involved during the attack. These nodes can be physically existent or no existence at all. Collaborative attacks occur when more than one attacker or running processes synchronize their action to disturb a target network. Multiple attacks occur when a system is distributed by more than one attacker, but not necessary in collaboration. Thank you for